To connect Cash App to Brigit, follow these simple steps. First, download the Brigit app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account if you do not already have one. Open the Brigit app and navigate to the Settings or Account section. Then select Linked Accounts or Banks. Choose Cash App from the list of available banks and financial institutions. Or select Other if Cash App is not listed. You will be prompted to enter your Cash App account details, including your Cash App login credentials or the account and routing numbers associated with your Cash App account. Enter the required information and confirm that you want to link your Cash App account to Brigit. Wait for the verification process to complete. This may take a few seconds or minutes. Once your Cash App account is successfully linked to Brigit, you can use Brigit to track your Cash App account balance, receive alerts when your balance is low, and even request cash advances from Brigit directly to your Cash App account. Brigit works with Cash App, allowing you to link your Cash App account and access a range of features and services. By connecting your Cash App account to Brigit, you can enjoy the benefits of both services in one place, making it easier to manage your finances and stay on top of your money.